Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to color your hair like this for a black wig, and if you want to see how I do that, please watch to the end and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Okay, so this is a black wig that we are starting from, and this is basically a 22-inch wig from my Miss Enwa collection, and I will leave a link down below if you are interested in purchasing a wig. Before we get started and everything, I do know that my wig looks raggedy, but that is just because I finished making it, and I usually always style my wigs before finally setting them, and this one I hadn't decided on what I wanted to style it, but this is basically just how the wig looks like. Yeah, I'm showing you the cap construction and it's really looking pretty. I mean, like sewing machine wig, and I also have a video on how to make sewing machine wigs. As you can see, the closure is really full and it's really thick, and the wig is literally giving me life. And also I tried to experiment on the color, so that's why it's partly bleached. On this video today, we'll be working with a 40 volume developer and some bleach. I also have a tutorial showing you guys how to properly bleach hair and how to pick the best bleach for you. I will link all of that below. I'm going to empty my bottle into my mixing bowl, and then I'm just going to take the container of bleach and I'm going to leave the bleach in it, and I am going to pour the bleach, and I'm just going to mix both the developer and the bleach together. You should have a very thick yogurt like consistency, because like this is how you want the hair to look like. You do not want it runny. Yeah, I'm basically just trying to do a thumbnail or whatnot, but this is where the video actually starts. So the paste we made, I'm just going to put it in this my very faithful bowl for all my experiments, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to empty the rest of the content of my bowl into this. And to make sure that I'm not wasting any product, I'm going to put the water into the bowl and I'm going to put it back into the bowl. Also wear masks for this process because this thing is highly toxic. Like I was crying and my nose literally bleached. But yeah, so what you're going to do is you're just going to put the wig down into the bowl. Oh, I forgot, you're supposed to use extremely hot boiling water for this procedure. So as you can see, my wig is already transforming. I don't know if you're seeing it on camera, but my wig is literally already bleaching and it hasn't gotten to the color I want it yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to keep dipping the wig into the water, and then also I'm going to go with a brush or a detangler, and I'm going to like try to get the bleach into it. Also please wear gloves, do not be like me. Like I was literally moving mad in this video, and again because I wanted to like get all of the juice out, I was also putting the wig into the container. I let it sit out for a while, and then I decided that to block, like to make sure that the heat works, because bleach basically needs a lot of heat, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to tie it. And then I decided to go and leave it under the sun with all my infinite wisdom. Okay, so we are back from the sun. I left it under the sun for like 2 hours and I was really afraid, but literally after 1 hour bleach stops processing, so the 2 hours was just for like exaggerated effects or whatnot. So I'm just going to squeeze out the juice. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to squeeze out the hair, and as you can see, like discoloration has taken place. That's why my bleach now looks brown, and this happens all the time, just that most often you wouldn't see it because you're like rinsing the hair off. And this is what I have. Because my closure was a little bit different from the hair, my closure was over bleach and my hair was just meh. I did that another time, another round, and this is what we have in the final. As you can see, it's looking pretty orange, so I'm going to go in with a toner and then I'm going to tone the hair and get back to you. Okay, so for the toner, I'm going to use my purple DIY conditioning toning shampoo. Gosh, that's a long sentence. So I'm basically going to pour it in water as you would shampoo, and then I'm going to just dip my hair into it, and then I'm going to keep dipping my hair, and like it's going to be a whole repeated process. So dip, 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 more dip into the bowl, and then I'm going to go in with more conditioner, and then I'm going to like keep dipping the hair into the bowl. I wanted the closure to be super toned, so that's why I keep going back with the closure and then like the whole hair. As you can see, my hair looks quite toned, it's not very orangey, and I have a whole video on this conditioner, so go check that out. I am sure to have uploaded it. Again, because I felt like my hair had some extra lavender pinkish tones in it, I decided to go for one more rinse. And also, when you dye hair or when you do anything to discolor hair or whatnot, it's always good to go in with like a cold rinse so that the hair doesn't run. Right now I'm going in with some shampoo, and then I'm just going to lightly rinse the wig, and then I will come back and show you guys what is up. After that, I'm going to go in with this itsnya Nourishing Healing Max, which is like one of my hair products which I launched. Please go check it out on Instagram. So I'm basically going to go in with the hair max, and I am just going to apply it to the hair, and I'm going to make sure that it's pretty saturated and it's like everywhere. I'm just getting in there, and then I'm going to mop the table with the hair because you do not want to waste this product. Like, it is perfecto. I'm going to like run my hands through the hair, try to make sure that everything looks nice and neat, and then I'm going to put my hair in a bag. Okay, so after washing my hair and letting it dry and everything, this is what my hair looks like right now, and it is pretty good. Like, it looks fresh. You wouldn't even know that it has been bleached and done and blah 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 blah. So yeah, this is basically how it looks. It's pretty shiny, it's not looking worn out or whatnot, and the product is a really amazing product. So if you want to see how you can get one for free, check in the description box, but also if you want to buy it for yourself, check my Instagram. I'm going to link it down below. Okay, so this is my hair, and I literally plucked the hairline, even though the closure was super full, and it was like a whole journey, like a whole experience. I finally plucked it, and then again I'm just giving you like different angles to how the wig looks like, and this is literally like a movement like rose gold and ginger. This is a whole mood. Like, you guys are sleeping on this combination of colors. Like, look at it, look at this beautiful wig. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and style the wig, and to style the wig I'm going to be using my got to be spray and my super hold spritz from Icy, and I'm basically using them because it has good freezing qualities, and then it's like an ultimate hold, and I'm literally just showing you guys like the two qualities that are in. So I'm going to use both of them, and then I'm going to go in with my crimp because I'm feeling crimps. I really want crimped hair so badly, so I'm going to go ahead and crimp the hair. And this is what it looks like. I didn't film the crimping process because it was a little bit complicated, and I wanted to figure it out before coming to show you guys like my favorite crimping techniques, but it was just a very simple, straightforward thing, and this is what it ended up looking like. Yeah, you can actually see how the colors just blend together. And again, these are the products I used in this video, so if you want to buy them, please check them out on Instagram, and also like they're really amazing. Just go check them out. We've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends, and all the good stuff. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.